In this video, we will learn how to use program degree planners, which are available on St. Mary's College of Maryland program websites. These planners provide the list of requirements that a student needs to fulfill in order to earn a qualification within that program, whether that be a major or a minor. You can find the degree planners by visiting a program's website. The easiest way to do this is to simply Google SMCM and the name of the program. For example, SMCM Psychology. Or you can visit the website below to see a full list of all academic programs offered at St. Mary's College of Maryland. Once you arrive at the program's website, you will find useful information and details about the program. We encourage you to spend time on this page to learn more about your program. For now, scroll down until you see the section providing information about the major or minor that you are interested in. Click the second button titled Planning Your Major or Minor. This will bring up the program degree planner. This document is generated from the course catalog, so is up to date with the requirements of your program. The degree planner is an invaluable tool in understanding the requirements for your program. As you scroll down, you will see all the courses you need to take to earn this qualification. Over the course of your years at SMCM, you should reference this document often to make sure you are making progress towards meeting the requirements of your program. This document can be a bit overwhelming at first read, but don't worry, your academic advisor will help you interpret the requirements each semester when you meet with them to discuss your registration plans. For now, scroll down until you see the area labeled Sequence of Study for four-year students. Some planners also have a sequence of study for transfer students, so make sure you find the sequence relevant to your circumstance. The sequence of study is broken down into sections for each year and semester of study. Incoming first-year students should look at the courses recommended in the first year. For example, the psychology program's sequence of study suggests that an incoming first-year student should take Psych 101, Introduction to Psychology, in the fall semester, and one or two 200-level psychology courses in the spring. The asterisk notes, however, that students need only aim to have at least two 200-level courses by the end of the fall semester of their second year. Thus, an incoming first-year student who is planning to major in psychology should plan to take Psych 101 in the fall. But if they are already bringing in credit for that course through AP or dual enrollment credits, it is not absolutely necessary for them to take another psychology course in the fall semester. Let's take a look at a second example in the biology program. In the fall semester, the biology program requires incoming first-year students to take BIOL 105. Principles of Biology 1, with its laboratory, BIOL 105L. The program also requires General Chemistry 1 in the fall, but this course does not have a laboratory. Then, in the spring, students will take the second half of the introductory biology and chemistry courses in BIOL 106, 106L, Chem 106, and Chem 106L. Some majors have required courses in the first year. If you are even possibly considering a major in biology, biochemistry, chemistry, marine science, neuroscience, or physics, you should look carefully at the list of courses you should take. It may be one or sometimes two courses, in order to stay on sequence. Other majors require only that you take a course in the major, but do not dictate which one. A meeting with a registration guide or your academic advisor will help you in making these decisions, making sure you are staying on track. By using the program degree planner each semester to determine which courses you should take in the upcoming semester, you will make sure to stay on track and make consistent progress towards your intended graduation date.